In this video, we're going to show you to install the windshield washer cap on your Nissan Quest located under your hood. So right here on the passenger side, you're going to locate your cap. You're going to pop this off by peeling that. You can use a trim tool if you want and gently work this off the button. If you want to, chances are you're going to be replacing it because this is broken. Gently peel that off like so. Take your new cap, catch the edge of that button and rotate that down, working that on. Spin this around, line it up and snap it on. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.